How to log out of Coinbase. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log out of Coinbase, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to log out of Coinbase, it's actually quite simple. If you go to coinbase.com, or maybe you're using the Coinbase app, you can currently see that I'm logged into my account. Now if I want to log out, what do I do? Well, to log out, if you're using the app, just look for your profile page or the profile icon. If you're using from browser, click the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then from here, if you just scroll down a bit further below, you'll find this little option that says sign out. So you can just go ahead and click the little sign out button here, and as and when you do that, you'll be successfully logged out of Coinbase. This way you should be able to log out of Coinbase. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.